Hey again, welcome to Segmenting 101, and for now this will be the last video in this series. Just to wrap it up, why did we do all these things? Why did we first off start segmenting lists and then join them and then start deduplicating the joint lists and segment of those? Well, ultimately, we want to make sure first off that we're contacting the correct people. That's where segmentation comes into play. Actually, in this context, segmentation and targeting, it's almost the same thing. You add filters to whatever data you have to narrow down to the right people that you want to contact. And you may have to enrich your data by joining different data extensions to be able to do that. But then normally within your email, you will also want to personalize. And the most basic form of personalization that everyone knows since the 90s is using first name. So let's just say that this is a very basic email we would want to write to our customers. We could do something like, hello, first name, thank you for buying at the Burrito Factory, yours truly, the Burrito Factory. So this first name, you can notice I've edited between percentage fields, because if you would be programming in certain platforms like Marketing Cloud, you might be using something that looks like that. So this is what depending on the platform this is, or the person you're talking with, this will be referred to as a personalization field, a dynamic value, a dynamic field, whatever. It is some kind of code or maybe some feature in your content creator that allows you to draw in data. And so in this case, it's based on first name. Now, this kind of email you could send based on just a customer's table, but when you're joining data extensions, you're pulling in more information. You're enriching your customer's table, because if you go back to our previous example, we combined customers with orders, and in that case, we could do something that's already a little bit more sophisticated, a little bit more personalized, and instead of just saying hello first name, we could say thank you for buying your item for price. So item would have referred to tacos or nachos, and the price we could have added that too if you wanted to. In fact, maybe we could have even added an image of a taco or a nacho or nachos or whatever other order our customers may have had. So that makes it a little bit more personalized. That makes it resonate more with our customers. And that's really and that's a nice way to wrap up this very high level overview of segmentation, because now you understand the relationship between segmentation and joining data and how that drives personalization. That's why we at Deselect say that data drives personalization, and that's the relationship between segmentation and personalization. I hope you found these short video series interesting, and this might be the end for now of this series, but there'll be more to come. So subscribe to this channel, and if you have any questions, just leave them in the comments. See ya.